Nothing. What's up, everybody, and welcome to today's video. And I've got a good one. 99 Arctic 300. It almost got me. I almost started taking things apart and really digging way deeper than I should. It's having a starting issue. It would start like just for a moment. It would want to start and then not start. And I'll show you in a second what that looks like. But what I found, man, I'm so glad I found it. And my normal routine to kind of determine this stuff, I actually almost missed this. And I'm so glad I found this, and I want to share it with you. And hopefully, if you've got an Arctic 300 that's struggling to start, but maybe starting just a touch, I may have a solution that'll work for you. Listen, I appreciate you watching, and let's get into it. All right, so here's kind of how I found it. Nothing. So first things first, like always, we'll go and see if we can spray starting fluid in here and see if we can just get it to turn over. It's just the quick and easiest way to see. So, all right, so see that right there? So that tells me that there's getting fire. So normally I would immediately go to, all right, we have a fuel issue and not a ignition issue or fire issue. The only thing I'll say that made me question this is I couldn't get it to run longer than that. So I could get it to just barely sputter over, and that would work. I'll show you what, so I knew something was going on. So I said, well, next step typically would be I'm going to go to the spark plug and kind of see what we've got there, and maybe something's there. So that's what I did. Pull this out. Then I noticed it's wet. So that got me questioning. So that shouldn't be, I mean, it's not soaked, but it's not like normal. See if I can get that there. So, it's all right, let's see if we've got any fire. Nothing. And so well, that's crazy. Let's change the spark plug. Grab a new spark plug. Always run it all the way in by hand. Start it with your fingers, run it in with that, and then come with your socket. That keeps you from cross-threading it in the head. All right, so that went up. I immediately knew right there. All right, something's up. And voila. So, even though it wanted to run off the starting fluid, it was literally still a bad spark plug. So go figure. So just because, you know, you're not getting full run, just because it hiccuped a little bit, may want to check that spark plug and make sure you got fire at that plug. All right, so there you have it. Sometimes you just got to check all the simple things first before you go tearing into something and getting a little bit deeper. I would have probably been chasing that. I would have went to the carburetor, took the carburetor out, cleaned it, took it apart, cleaned it, put it back in, only to find doing the same thing. So just take your time when you're really trying to diagnose things, and just don't rip anything and rip things apart. If Save yourself some work if you can. Think things through. But if you haven't and it's just stuttering like that, barely wanting to start, definitely look at that spark plug first and try that. They're cheap, and that's definitely the easiest way to do it. So thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, even share it. It really helps me grow my channel and get more videos like this out there to help people be able to work on their own stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.